Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by guaranteeing the right resources: a GPU with sufficient RAM, Python environment, and CUDA drivers so training and inference run fast. Once done, create a virtualenv and install core libraries like PyTorch and image toolkits so dependencies do not conflict. Then pick a baseline model checkpoint designed for high-resolution images. This gives you a proven architecture to refine. Make sure to choose a format compatible with mixed precision to speed up training without losing stability. You now focus on data and optimization. Curate images at the target resolution and apply augmentations for robustness, because varied inputs improve generalization. Next, enable mixed precision and gradient accumulation to handle large batches. This balances memory and convergence speed. Use a learning rate scheduler and warm-up to stabilize training, and incorporate perceptual loss plus adversarial fine-tuning to sharpen details. Once training progresses, employ progressive resizing so the model. You finish by converting training gains into consistent HD outputs. Run inference with tiling or patch stitching to avoid out-of-memory errors, then apply targeted post-processing like denoising and seeded upscaling to preserve edges. Make sure to evaluate on held-out images and iterate on loss weights if certain artifacts persist. If things go wrong, reduce the learning rate and extend fine-tuning on problem samples. This often tames mode collapse or checkerboard artifacts and yields more reliable, high-definition results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.